Hey guys, it's Skylar from The Tidy Life, inspiring you to clean, organize, and minimize your life. And today we're talking about my essential cleaning products. If you're looking for new cleaning products, if you need some inspiration to maybe go clean product shopping so that you will clean your house, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm just going to get started, and this is not going to be in any real order or any rhyme or reason. Just going to pick them up off the floor below me and we'll get started. So, the first one, and clearly I love it because it's almost gone. So this is the Method All-Purpose Cleaning in the lavender scent. I love lavender, it's my favorite scent, and purple is one of my favorite colors, so two birds, one stone. So this is just my everyday, like, wiping things off products. You can use it pretty much on anything. I used it on my car seats the other day. They're like a fake leather. I really don't know if I was supposed to do that, but it didn't seem to hurt them, and I didn't spray it directly. I just wiped it, so I think it's fine. So I really like this. I think I got this, I either bought it at Target or I got it off Grove Collaborative. Pretty sure I got it off Grove. I like this. I mean, it's an all-purpose cleaner. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm honestly probably going to switch to the Mrs. Meyer's lavender when I finish this because I'm obsessed with the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent. I want it in every single product. Right now, I have it for all of my laundry items, and I'm working towards changing to everything else because it is amazing. Anyway, so this is my first product. I think it's like $3.99. It's not a disinfectant, so if you need to like disinfect, like use something else or follow up this with something else, but very good product, and it smells amazing. I think they have this in like multiple flavors, scents, so get whatever one you like, but I like this one the best. Alright, so next is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. So this is what I use to clean my stove. I have a gas stove, so I used to have a ceramic stovetop, so I used a different product, but now that I have gas and it has like those grates, I need to like be able to take the grates off and like scrub and really get the grease out, so I use this on my stovetop, as well as I'll use it on the inside of my microwave if like something like there was a big explosion. But I generally use this on my stovetop. Really good product. It's a lemongrass scent, so I like the way it smells. It's very effective, and I think this was probably between $3 and $5, and it's gonna last me forever because I only clean one area with it. And again, I either got this from Target or I got it from Grove Collaborative. Next, this is the Method Steel for Real stainless steel cleaner. So I've had this at this since my last apartment, and I use this on just all the like stainless steel surfaces in my kitchen. So the refrigerator, the dishwasher cover, the oven cover, the microwave cover. So anywhere that I have stainless steel-esque looking items, just to like polish it and, you know, make it look clean and shiny. And this is an apple orchard flavor, good God, scent, so I like the way this smells as well. This one I think I did get at Target because I've had it for a while. Target, or it could be Amazon, who knows. Target, Amazon, Grove Collaborative, that's where I buy everything. Alright, and next we have the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. So this is like my new like pledge of sorts. This smells like almonds. I don't mind the scent too much. It's fine. I honestly don't know if I would buy this again. I like it and I use it to clean all my wood, but as you can see, I have a lot of fake IKEA whitewood, and this has like a brown color to it, so it doesn't stain. It's just you really have to wipe it to make sure that it doesn't leave a mark. So better for more natural than Pledge. And I like it. It works really well. If you have like actual dark wood furniture, definitely like this is your go-to. I may or may not use it again, but again, I don't have that much wood in my house. but I do have to dust a lot because I have pets and I am weird and I have white furniture, but pets with black hair. So we dust a lot in this house. So I like this. It smells really nice and it's really natural. Yeah, next product. Next is bathroom cleaner. So this is the Method bathroom cleaner. Okay, let's just talk about cleaning the bathroom. I hate cleaning the bathroom. I will clean every single room in my house twice before I clean the bathroom. I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to clean it once a week like my mom always made us do growing up, but I hate cleaning the bathroom. And again, my dog and cat like to hang out in the bathroom, so there's constantly like black hair everywhere, and I feel like I could probably wipe out my tub like every single day. My dog likes to lay in front of the bathtub, just in general, not even when I'm in there. It's like his safe place, and the cat likes to sit like right on the ledge, and yes, so I need to clean my bathroom more. This smells really good. It's eucalyptus, so I like it, but yes, hopefully this video is going to inspire me to clean my bathroom because I need to clean it. Anyway, so great product. It's all natural, smells nice. You don't have to worry about, my bathroom's like really small. It doesn't have like much ventilation, so it doesn't like make me cough or anything when I'm like cleaning the bathroom and it's not like properly ventilated. So really good product. I like to use this a lot. Not a lot. I hate cleaning the bathroom, but I use it when I clean the bathroom. Next is to clean the toilet. So yeah, the Method toilet cleaner. So this is in spearmint scent, so it smells really nice, and you know, we all know how to use toilet bowl cleaner, right? You'll put it in the toilet. I have a toilet brush that's like in a little caddy sitting next to the toilet, and I just, you know, let this sit for like a few minutes, and then I'll use that. I used to use the Clorox like toilet bowl wand, but like it's disposable, so I feel like I'm like wasting the environment. So yes, I have a reusable toilet brush, but you know, it is what it is. We gotta clean the toilet, right? Okay, next product. All right, and next I have glass cleaner. So mirror glass window cleaner. This is the Grove Collaborative glass bottle with the silicone sleeve, and this is their like glass cleaner product from Grove Collaborative. I don't have like a lot of mirrors in the house, and I have like what, 2, 3, 4 windows in my entire house. So I mean, I don't have to use a lot of this, so I've had this since probably since I moved into this apartment, so since March, and I mean, I haven't used that much, you know. It's window cleaner, it's glass, it does the job. I use like a rag that's made for cleaning windows so it doesn't streak, but it's really nice and I like it. All right, next product. And now we move into my Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent obsession. So this is the Mrs. Meyer's dish, I always feel like I'm gonna say it with a lisp, a dish soap. And I really like this. It smells amazing. I love the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent, and I'm going to convert my entire house. I'll buy the candles, everything. I want my entire house to smell like Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent all the time because it's amazing. I love it. So really good dish soap. I washed all my dishes in the dishwasher, but I don't know. The way I was raised, thank you, Mom, I like basically like clean the dishes before I put them in the dishwasher, and then the dishwasher, in my opinion, like isn't like for cleaning the dishes. It's like an extra clean and a sanitize. I'm weird, it's fine, whatever. So I clean my dishes with this and a sponge before I put my dishes in the dishwasher, and it smells amazing. I love it so much. Okay, and I got this off Grove Collaborative for sure. All right, and then my second to last product is the Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Room Refresher Spray. So again, like I said, I have a dog and a cat, and my dog Brantley is a lab mix, and if you know anything about dogs or you own a lab, is they smell even when they're clean. Labs have a scent, okay? They smell like a dog. And I'm a pet owner. I love my pets, they're my babies. But I don't like my house to smell like cat and dog. So I vacuum, you know, I shoot for every other day at a minimum. And I always spray this like all over either before or after I'm done vacuuming. I spray it on all the fabrics, so on the dog bed, on the couch, on the curtains, on my bed because the dog sleeps in my bed, on the carpet, everywhere fabric, this gets sprayed on. And I mean, I still kind of spray it in the air too, but it's made from essential oils. It's my favorite smell of all time, and you know, worst case, my house smells like a mixture of lavender and animals, but you know, hopefully for the most part with our cleaning, it just smells like lavender and it's amazing. I love it. Again, I got it off Grove Collaborative. Love it. I'm obsessed with the scent. It's a problem. Okay. And the last product for today is for all you pet owners out there. Again, if I didn't live in an apartment, if I had a house, I would have like 5,000 dogs or as many as you can legally fit in a house. And I'm good with cats. Taylor, my cat, she likes to be a lone cat. She'll put up with all the dogs. She doesn't want to deal with any more cats. So I would have like way more animals if I could. But if you have carpet, because I live in an apartment and I don't get to choose if I have carpet or hardwood, my dream house will have hardwood, you need this in your life. So this is the Arm & Hammer Pet Fresh Carpet Odor Eliminator. It has OxiClean in it. I mean, from my understanding, it's pretty much just baking soda with OxiClean, I'm sure, mixed in it. And I spread this all over the floor before I vacuum, all over the carpet. I put it on the couch sometimes, not all the time, just because I feel like it's harder to get off the couch, because I have like a sectional, so like the cushions don't like lift up very well. But yeah, so I use this on all the carpet. I use it on the dog bed. It's amazing. It just kind of makes it smell fresh. I probably don't do it every single time I vacuum, but definitely when I, you know, feel like it really smells like dog in here, or if like company is about to come over, then I definitely use this. It was super inexpensive. I probably got it from the grocery store, something, and it's just baking soda. Put it on your carpet, makes it smell fresh, takes the animal dander smell out of your carpet when you vacuum. It's wonderful. All pet owners must have. And I think that was it. That is all of my essential cleaning products for today. Please, if you have any suggestions for things that you think I should have, if I use all natural products because I have pets, so if I'm using something and it's actually bad for my pets, like, please let me know, because they like to lick everything, so I want to, you know, that's why I buy natural things, because I want to make sure that they're not, well, them mostly. I should be worried about myself as well, that we're not taking in like bad toxins into our bodies. So yeah, if you know anything bad about the products that I'm using, I think I've done my research. I think they're all really good. I highly suggest, if you have pets, kids, or just for yourself in general, switch to more like natural cleaning products, just because it's, you know, less harmful to our bodies and to our homes. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions of cleaning products that I should try, I'm all about shopping for cleaning products. It's my addiction. It's a problem. There's more under my kitchen sink. These are just the ones that I use the most regularly. Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. If you would like to see more videos, I'm planning on doing cleaning with me videos, because it inspires me to clean my house and get it done when I should, when I don't want to. Organizing, minimizing, I like to declutter. My label maker is my best friend. So yeah, if you enjoy videos like that and you know, relate to my obsessiveness with keeping my home and cleaning and organizing, then stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be posting videos every Monday. And until next time, we will see you then next time. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.